If snoring is a problem for you, then you must have heard about Snoredestroy.com. Thanks to TikTok posts, lots of USA buyers are curious to know more about legitimacy of Snoredestroy website. Well, this well-designed website was created on 29th of August 2023. Certainly, this one is a new website and it does not have presence on any social media. Given contact information is also incomplete. Nothing much about scientific approach behind this product has been shared on this website. Moreover, the whole available text, images and even video has been copied from Zestrou.com. This website, Zestrou.com, was launched in March 2023 and this one is also popular on TikTok. Paid posts are doing their work. However, several reviewers have counted Zestrou.com as a possible scam website. And here, we are finding that Snoredestroy.com is simply copying everything from Zestrou.com. Friends, it looks like a scam network of websites around the snoring issue. In last few months, we have seen several scam websites, selling anti-snoring useless devices. Across USA, several buyers had wasted their money on such China-made useless products. Counting all this, we will suggest you to keep a good distance from such websites, like Zestrou.com and that Snoredestroy.com. Other than these websites, please consult a doctor to have some solution for snoring issue. Thanks for watching this video.